All right. Hi, Sanvi. Very good morning. Hope your Sunday has started with a bang. So, welcome, Sanvi, to today's math lesson or math quiz, rather. Hi, Pavika. Good morning. I guess I can already also see Annu Kumari. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Me and Math. And yes, Modipta. Okay. Hi, Modipta. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so children, uh, once again, welcome to Me and Math. And yes, we all know that every Sundays we conduct this YouTube live streaming, and we have a quick quiz on the on various topics. Hi, Sanvi. Very good morning. On various topics, right? Okay, great. So let's start then. Okay, I can already see quite a few children here: Sanvi, Pavika, Mogutta. So yes, let's quickly begin and all the best. So I'm going to be presenting 15 questions out here and you'll have to select the correct answer, whether it's A, B or C and or D, and you can put it in the chat. Okay, according to you, what's the correct answer? So let's see who gets them all right. And yes, let's begin. So here comes my first question, and our topic for today is fraction. Okay, so all my questions are going to be based on the topic of fractions. All right, so are we ready? Okay, let's begin. I would love to see some thumbs up in the chat to show the enthusiasm that you all have to start with this lesson, to start with this quiz. Come on, everybody, you all can put a thumbs up. Yes, Tatvi, good morning. Hi, Supriya. Hi, Arohi. Welcome, everyone. Okay, so let's begin. And here comes my first question. Please read carefully and answer correctly. Okay. So here I have the question, which reads: a pizza is divided into 8 equal parts. All right. Simmi ate 1/8 of the pizza. Ruhi ate 3/8 of the pizza. Sonali ate 1/8 of the pizza. So which of the following figures show the pizza left if the eaten part of the pizza is shaded? Okay, so read the question properly and carefully and then answer. Come on, I want the answers quickly in the chat. Let's see who gets it right. All pretty easy answers. So the topic, Mukta, the topic is fractions here. All right, and the question is already on the screen. Well, I hope everybody can see the question. All right, I've already started getting answers. Wonderful. Okay. Oh my God, I've got so many children answering the question as C. All right, I hope everybody has evaluated your answers carefully and given me the answer C. Modipta, it's like pizza is divided into 8 equal parts. So there's one whole big pizza, as you can see, like the picture representation. It is divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, 1/8 of that Simmi eats, 3/8 of the pizza Ruhi eats, Sonali eats 1/8 of the pizza. So which of the following figures show the pizza left if the eaten part of the pizza is shaded. The eaten part is shaded. Okay. All right, great. So time to give out the answer and let's see what's the answer. All of you all have given me the answer as C. But actually the answer is D, children. No worries. Let me explain. Okay. So it says that 1/8 of the pizza is eaten by Simi. Okay. So let's suppose this is my pizza. Okay. I am dividing it into 8 parts. Okay. So 1/8 is eaten by Simi. All right. 3/8 is eaten by Ruhi. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And again 1/8 is eaten by Sonali. So how many unshaded regions are left? 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded. So here this figure shows me one part is shaded, 2 part is shaded, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And 3 are unshaded. So this picture represents the answer to this question. Here we do not have 5 regions shaded. We have only 3 shaded. Here we have only 4 shaded. Right? And here also we have only 4 shaded, but 5 pieces were eaten. So that is why these are all incorrect answers. The correct answer is answer D. Now did you all understand? Yes. Yes, Anupaman. Good. So wonderful children, but a very good attempt. No worries. This was yet the first question. We have many more to do. All right? All right. Yes. Okay. Now everybody's answering D. Good. Good. Okay. So D was the correct answer. All right. And no worries. You all were very close, but we can definitely try again. So time for the next question. Okay. Let's proceed. All right. Here's my next question. I hope everybody can see it. All right. The question says, what is, okay, there is this representation in the form of this picture and the second picture. Okay. So when we add these two fractions, when we put them into fractions and we add them, what do we get? That is what the question is. We have to find out the answer. So if we have these two, we put them into fractions. What is the answer that we will get once we add them together? All right, I think I've already started getting answers. Okay, some of you all have given me the answer D. All right, I'm expecting some more answers. Come on, everybody. Let's try at least. Even if it's wrong, it's okay. No problem. At least we put that attempt to answer, right? To find the answer. Come on. You all can do it. D, D, D. Everybody's giving me the answer D. I hope you all are finding it out rather than just copying and pasting it over there. Very good. Okay. I love the participation that you children are showing. Wonderful. Gopal, Madhukta, Abhishek, Sweetie, Shashi, Renu, Sudarshan, Nandini. Yes, very good. Very good. Keep it up. Any more answers to come? Okay, I'll wait for a couple of seconds more if anybody wants to change their answer or if any more children want to answer me. Okay. All right. So let's see what is the answer to this question. Okay. First, we have this picture representation of the fraction here, right? Okay. So 3 parts are shaded, right? 1, 2, 3. So what will be the fraction for this? We have 3 out of 8, right? 3 upon 8 is my fraction here, and here it's going to be 2 out of 8, right? Because only 2 are shaded, right? Now, when we are adding two fractions, what we have to look at is the denominator, right? We look at the denominator. Since they both are same, so we call them as like fractions. They are called what? Like fractions, because their denominators are same. Both have denominator as 8, right? So that makes my work easy. That makes my work easy. Yes, I can simply add the numerators together and find the answer. So 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, we get 5, and my denominator remains the same. So my answer is definitely D. Yes. So this time everybody's got their answers correct. Absolutely right. The answer is D. So there was no confusion, and all of you all just gave the correct answer. Wonderful, wonderful. Good job. See, I told you all, you all can definitely do it. Just understand the question well enough. All right. So congratulations, everybody. All your answers were correct. Good job. Yes, Mobita. Very nice. Okay. So let's proceed. Now, time to move on to the third question. Okay. So let's read this also carefully. Once again, what is, so I have this picture representation of the fraction, and again, the second picture representation. Okay. And be careful of the operation that we have to do. Okay. So tell me quickly, what's the answer to this? Come on, everyone. All right. I'm waiting. Yes, all of you all seem to be calculating and trying to find the answer. But this is also very easy. You all can easily find out the answer. All right, I've already got the answer C from Shashi. Okay, we'll see whether it's right or not. We'll see it in a while. Okay. All right, yes, Shashi. And C is 1 upon 9. Yes. So we'll see whether. Okay, all right. Now everybody's giving me C. Yes, Abhishek has given me the answer B. Yes, Gopal, Modita, and Shashi, all of you all have given the answer C. We'll see in a while whether the answer is C or not, or whether it's B, or whether it's A or D. Amazing, amazing. All right, we have Sweetie, Nandini, Annu also answering. Okay, so some of you all have answered the question as C, and some of you all have answered the question as C, D. Sorry. So let's see what's the answer. Once again, we'll just put this picture representation in the form of a fraction. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my denominator is 9. Okay, and how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put 6 as the numerator. Okay, again, here the denominator is 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is my numerator. All right. Okay. Yes, some of you all have also given the answer B, D, and C. So I've got 3 different answers, but let's check what is right. Okay. Now here we have 6 upon 9, which we all know that it can be reduced further. But before we reduce it, first we have to subtract. Since we have the denominators as the same, these are like fractions, right? We again have like fractions. We are first going to subtract. Okay, these are like fractions. So we simply minus 5 out of 6, the numerator 6 minus 5, and we get it as 1, and the denominator remains the same. So we simply get the answer as 1 upon 9. Yes. So the answer is C. Very good. Good job, all my children. You are really trying pretty well. Very good. Very good. Now I can see that you guys have understood the concept of fractions pretty well. Good job. Good job. Congratulations, all of you. Okay. All right. Okay. So, yes, that was the answer to this question. Time to move on to the next one. So, please be ready. And here comes your next question. Okay. What fraction does this picture represent? Now, here we have three circles. Okay. So, be careful. So, we have these four options. Read them carefully and tell me what is the answer to this fraction, to this question. Come on. What fraction does this picture represent? Okay, I'm waiting for answers. It's pretty easy and quite obvious. Come on, everyone. Okay, I already started getting answers. And here we have Shashi, Modipta giving the answer B, Sudarshan giving the answer as C. Good job. Yes, Abhishek has given me the answer as A. So I've got again three different types of answers. B, okay. All right, I'm still waiting for the others. All right, so most of you all have given the answer B. I've got one answer as C and one answer as A. So let's check what is the correct answer. All right, so once again, let's go. So I have this whole circle which is shaded. Okay, so it is divided into how many parts? We have six parts. Right, it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So this is one whole. So I'm going to write this as 1. Then again we have another one whole. Again I'm going to write this. So we are going to add this up, right? And here we have the fraction as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of 6. Okay. So let's simply add them. Now this is a whole number 1. This is a whole number 2. So we are going to just add them. So we get the answer as 2 and the fraction comes as it is. So amazing! The correct answer is 2, 5 upon 6. It's a mixed fraction. Yes, it's a mixed fraction. So we get the answer as 2, 5 upon 6. It was very easy. Yes, and most of you all got it. Good job. Congratulations. No worries. We have many more questions ahead. So I hope everybody's understood how did we get this mixed fraction. Though all the children are doing a very good job. Yes. All right. So yes, that was the answer. Answer B was correct. And most of you all had given answer B. Very good. Very good. All right. So time for the next question that we have. And it's here. Which fraction on this number line is equivalent to 10 upon 16? 10 upon 16. Okay, we have this number line and you can compare and you can find out which fraction is equivalent. Okay, I hope everybody knows what are equivalent fractions. So which fraction is equivalent to 10 upon 16? Come on. Again, focus on the number line to get your answer quickly. Okay, I'm waiting. Abhishek, I think you have given the answer to this question, or was it for the previous one? I'm not sure. Okay, Momita writes B. Abhishek also has written B. Okay, okay, all right, got it, Abhishek. All right, good job, good job. Keep trying. Darshan also writes as B. Very good, very good. Okay, what about the others? All right, Maudipta, we'll definitely see whether it's B or not in a while. I'm just waiting for some more children to reply. So we can then see if anybody gets it correct or not. All right. Oh, here comes Renu, who gives the answer as B. Okay, sorry, Arohi. Okay, okay, all right. I was reading out the name that's written over there, Abhishek Kumar, right? Sorry, Arohi. Okay, Anu and Sweetie give the answer as B and D respectively. Yeah, Renu has also given the answer as D. Okay, so let's see whether it's B, whether it's D. Okay, so I've got two answers, B and D. So we'll check whether it's B or D. All right, so we have to look at the fraction. We have to find out equivalent fraction of 10 upon 16, right? So I hope everybody knows what are equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means like any fraction that is written down. Like if we have two, three fractions, for example, we have 1 upon 2. So equivalent fraction to this could be 2 upon 4. Equivalent fraction to this could be 6 upon 8, right? So these are called equivalent fractions by where we are multiplying the denominator and numerator with the same number. So these are equivalent fractions. So we have to find an equivalent fraction of 10 upon 16 from the number line. So in the number line, we see 1 upon 16, then 1 upon 8, 3 upon 16. So we see all these different fractions mentioned here. Now it's quite obvious that 10 would come after 9, right? So we have 9 upon 16, and what is the next fraction after that? 5 upon 8. So that's the correct answer. D is the correct answer. So congratulations to all of you who have given the answer as D. It was a bit tricky, but yes, it was pretty easy. You could also find out an equivalent fraction of 10 upon 16 by just simply reducing it. So like I could divide by 10 by 2, and same thing, I could divide 16 by 2 and get 5 upon 8. So there were two ways to find out, but the number line was pretty obvious. Yes, they had told us to use the number line. On the number line, 10 upon 16 gives me the fraction 5 upon 8. So the correct answer is D. All right, so good job, good job. All the children who have tried, who have attempted, I really appreciate your efforts. So keep trying, okay? This is just some practice that we are doing. It's it will help you enhance your understanding of the concept of fraction. All right, so don't be sad, don't be depressed. Yes, we will definitely understand it better gradually and we'll be able to answer it. All right, okay. All right, so time to move on to my next question. All right, children. Um, okay, here comes my next question. Question number 6. Now, this is very easy. Come on, I'm sure you all can answer it in a fraction of time. Come on, it's very easy. Go on, go on. 3 upon 8 multiplied by 8 upon 5 will give me what? 3 upon 8 multiplied by 8 upon 5. Come on, children, quickly. In just one step, you can find out the answer. Okay. Yes, Supriya has written the answer as D. All right. D. Okay, once again, ROE has written D. All right, we are getting the answers as D. Think about it carefully. Okay. All right. So I'm getting answers. Yes, it is very easy peasy. Absolutely right, Momita. Sorry, Modita. It is very easy peasy. So let's see what's the correct answer. Okay. We have 3 upon 8 multiplied by 8 upon 5. So in this case, I have two different denominators, 8 and 5. But again, since it is multiplication, okay, since it's multiplication, I can simply reduce the fractions and find the final answer. So my answer over here is answer C, 3 upon 5. It's not D, children. This was really easy peasy. So I can simply cancel and reduce this by cancelling 8. And what I get, what is left behind is just 3 upon 5. Children, the answer was C. 3 upon 5 is the correct answer. Why? Because since there is just a multiplication sign in the middle, I can reduce the fraction. And here I could easily say 8 ones are 8 and here also 8 ones are 8. So I could reduce them down to just 3 upon 5. Right? If we give the answer 24 upon 5, then what about this 8? Okay, you all multiplied 3 by 8, but then here also we have to multiply, right? Yes, yes. Okay. So here also we had to multiply. If we multiply, we cannot get the answer as 5, right? Where is my 8? So I can simply reduce, cancel 8 and 8, and I can just get the answer as 3.5. All right. But anyways, nevertheless, good job, children. Good attempt. Let's proceed to the next question. And here we have it. Okay. What fraction is represented by the total colored part of the picture? Okay, so once again, each picture represents a fraction. So what is the total? When we add them, what is the total? Okay, now I want the answer to this. What is the total? Quickly, I'm waiting for answers in the chat. Replace the pictures. I'm giving you all a hint. Replace the pictures first with a fraction and then add them together. See whether we have like fractions to add or we have unlike fractions to add, and accordingly give me the answer. Okay, I've already started getting answer C. Okay, Arohi, Supriya, Modita, I've given the answer C. Come on, the others, I'm still waiting. Easy peasy. Yes, yes, of course, it's easy peasy. Okay, I don't see any more answers coming in. So let's find out. So this first picture that is represented, it represents the fraction 3 out of 4. Okay, then we add, once again, we have this fraction is 3 out of 4. And same way, here also we have 3 out of 4. Okay, so when we add them, okay, 3 out of 4. So when you're simply, my denominator is going to, the total colored part, right? So we have 3, 3, 3. So that's 9 out of, okay. So now total there are how many parts? 4 plus 4 plus 4. So there are total 12 parts. And yes, everybody's answer is correct. The answer is C. Absolutely right. The answer is C, and it was definitely easy peasy for all of you. Okay? Amazing, amazing. Good job, good job. See, you all are all getting it now correct. You all are understanding it pretty well. Okay. All right, time to move on. Come on. Now, next question. Next question. Okay. Find the sum of the colored parts. Once again, find the sum of the colored parts. Find the sum of the colored parts. Only the colored parts you have to tell me. How much are they? Okay. Somebody, I think, has given the answer D for this question. Okay, we'll see. Come on, quickly. Okay. B, all right. Let's see how many of you all can get it correct. How many of you all can get it correct? Come on. Find the sum of the colored parts. Only the colored parts, okay? All right. Yes. So everybody's giving me the answer B. Let's see whether it's correct. Okay. So the first picture has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 8 out of 10. And here I just have 1 out of 10. Sorry, 1 out of 10. Okay. So simply adding them, what do we get? 9 upon 10. And yes, most all of you all have got it right. It's absolutely right. Answer is B. Yes, it was very easy. And you all did crack it well enough. Okay, so good job, good job. All my children are doing a very good job. I love the enthusiasm of all of you, the way you are participating. And I hope you all are enjoying solving these questions of fraction, right? If you are enjoying, you can show me a thumbs up in the chat. Okay, great. So time to move on to my next question, and I hope everybody's ready. Here comes the next one. The ninth question that I have here is, which reads like this. Ani wants to equally divide the oranges equally between the baskets. Now I have 3 baskets. I want to divide these oranges equally in each basket, right? So what fraction of the oranges will be there in each basket? So when I divide them into each basket, so what fraction of the total oranges will I get in each fraction? Okay. What fraction of the oranges will I put in each basket? Come on. This is also very easy peasy. You all just have to think carefully and answer. Come on, you all can do it. I'm waiting for the answers. When we divide the oranges equally into each basket, so what fraction of the total oranges do we put into each basket? Answer is okay. Modipta gives answer is A. All right. Yes, very good. I'm loving it. All the children are enjoying. A. Okay. So we have Rohi, we have Supriya. You've already given answers. We're getting answer as A, B. Any more to come? C. Okay. Okay. Okay, some of you are already changing the answers. All right, no worries. You'll still have time if you want to change your answer. If you feel it is incorrect. If it's correct, then not a worry. Easy peasy, yes. All the questions are easy peasy. You just have to think wisely and find and calculate the answer properly. Okay, 3 upon 12. Some of you are answering 3 upon 12. Okay. All right. Okay. I've got most of the answers. So some of you all have given me C, some of you all have given me E, some of you all have given me A, but nobody's given the answer B. Okay. The correct answer is B. So what we have calculated 3 upon. So let me show you. When we divide these oranges into 3 parts, so we get one like this. When I divide them into 3 parts, let's put them into this box. And this is my second box. Okay, and this is my third. So what does it tell me? What fraction of the oranges do we place in each basket? Right, so I am getting what? 4. I'm putting 4 oranges in each basket out of 12. Children, out of 12. 4 out of 12. 4 out of 12. It's not 3 out of 12. If I place only 3, how will I divide them into 3 baskets? I will need 4 baskets. I have to simply divide them into just 3 parts. So when I divide them into 3 parts, I get how many oranges in each basket? 4. So I reduce this fraction further. So 4 ones are and 4 threes are. So what is the final answer that I get? Is 1 upon 3. So my correct answer is B. Correct answer is B, 1 upon 3. All right. I hope everybody's understood. Yes, it was a bit tricky. You all were trying getting answer 3 upon 12, but no, 3 upon 12 cannot be possible because in that case, then we will require 4 baskets. Here I have only 3 baskets, so in each basket there will be only 4 oranges. Am I correct? Have you all understood? All right. Okay, but good attempt. Good job, all of you. No worries. Yes, the answer is B. Okay. All right. Let's proceed further. What is 6 upon 12 divided by 6 upon 9? 6 upon 12 divided by 6 upon 9. So here you have to remember the concept of reciprocal. I'm giving you all the hint. You all have to remember the concept of reciprocal. Okay, so think about it and give me the answer. Think about it carefully and give me the answer. Okay, what is the correct answer over here? We have to use our understanding of the term reciprocal. Here in between there is division. Okay, we are dividing the fractions. Okay, I've got the answer B, B, B. Okay, Madhutta, Anya, I have given the answer B. All right. Let's see what do the others give, whether they get it right or not. Come on, children. I have already given you all a hint. Okay, somebody says A. All right. D. Okay, I'm getting an answer as D as well. Still waiting for the others. Where are my other children? Come on. B. Okay. Sweetie gives the answer B. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Tick, tick, one. Time is running out. Yes, I'll explain what is reciprocal. Whoever knows reciprocal, they will understand what is this. Okay, I think I have got most of the answers. So some of you all have said B, some of you all have said A, some of you all have also said D. So let's see what is the answer. Okay, so when I say reciprocal, reciprocal means we are simply inverting the fraction. I have your first fraction as 6 upon 12. Now, since here in between division is there, the division operation is there, it's not convenient to divide fractions straight away. So, what has math taught us? Okay, that I can replace this sign with multiplication, but the fraction has to do this at a cost, right? So, what is the cost that they have to pay? It's that this second fraction will be written in the inverted form 9 upon 6. They will have to exchange places. So, 9 will come on top, okay, and 6 will come down. So, this is called reciprocal Mavdipta, where I am inverting the fraction. Okay, I'm changing the position of the numerator and denominator of the second fraction so that now I can easily do the operation. Okay, because dividing fractions is not at all convenient. Okay, so that is why we come up with this easy way. We put a multiplication sign and simply change the numerator and denominator of the second fraction. Like this, we exchange them. Okay, now since multiplication is there, so it becomes easy, right? I can reduce them further. So I get 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. And here also 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. So what is left? On top in the numerator we have 3 ones are 3 and in the bottom we have 4 ones are 4. So my answer is B. My correct answer is B, and yes, whoever has given the answer B, you all are absolutely right. Good job, good job. So, Modita, I hope you have understood the concept of reciprocal. It's very easy, you just have to invert the fractions. All right, so good job. All right, wonderful. I'm loving it. I am really enjoying the enthusiasm. I hope you all are having fun doing these fraction sums. Okay, so we just have a few more to go now, not too long. So quickly, let's proceed. And here we have the next question. The colored part shows the fraction of cake available with Rohan. Okay, so we have this character Rohan who has this cake. Okay, and this shows that he has these pieces with him. Okay, this is not there with him. If Rohan gives away 5 pieces of the cake, what fraction of the cake is left with him? So out of the pieces that he has, if he gives away 5 pieces, what fraction of cake is left with him? It's easy peasy. Easily you can find out the answer to this question and write it in the chat. Come on, quickly. A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? What fraction of the cake is left with him? Okay, he had these many pieces out of which he gave away 5. So now how much is left with him? Come on. Okay, all right. I've already started getting. Okay, D, A, B, C. Oh my God, this time I'm getting all different types of answers. Huh? So this, after further reducing it, I have 1, I get 1 upon 4 as my fraction. So the answer is 1 upon 4. Yes, the answer is C. Do you all get it? Yes, exactly. Right? So here the answer was C, and amazing job done by the children. This was a bit tricky, but yes, whoever's given the answer C is absolutely right. An amazing job done. Others also very good attempt by all of you. Okay, no worries, even if you got it wrong, but to understand the concept is very important. All right, so let's proceed further quickly to our next question, question number 12. The first picture shows a fraction of cheese eaten by Tom. The second picture shows the fraction of cheese eaten by Jerry. Oh, so we have Tom and Jerry over here. So what is the total fraction of cheese eaten by both? Once again, a very easy one. Quickly calculate. You represent this picture into a fraction, and then you'll know what to do. So go ahead. Come on, come on, come on. This everybody should get it right now. Everybody should get it right. Come on, y'all can do it. We just have a few more questions to go, so come on. Have I started getting answers to this question? Question number 12, which says there are these two cheese pieces, which out of which Tom eats this much and Jerry eats this much. So what is the total fraction of cheese eaten by both? What is the total fraction of cheese eaten by both? Okay, I have got the answer as C, D, C, C. Oh my God. Yes. Oh, oh, we don't have an option as V. C, 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 C. Everybody's giving me the answer C. Come on, think carefully. Okay, time to look at the answers. So let's start finding out. So here, this is what Tom had eaten. So he ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of the cheese. And here Jerry ate 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 pieces out of 8. And I simply find the total. So here we get it as, since they are like fractions, denominators are same. We have 10 upon 8. And the answer, once we reduce, we get it as 2 fives are 10 and 2 fours are 8. So my final answer is answer B, 5 upon 4. And yes, nobody answered the question as B. Everybody's written C, C, C. No worries. Keep trying, keep trying. You will definitely understand it pretty well. Okay. We have 3 more questions to go. Yes. Okay. B, yes. All right. Great job. Great job. Whoever's answered B, a wonderful job. Your answer is correct. And the others, you look very close. So please try again. So here we have just 3 more questions to go, and which are again very easy ones. So please let me give me the answers quickly. Here is the next question. Find the missing numerator. So I have this fraction 15 upon 25. So what will come here and when we have the denominator as 5? Once again, I'm giving you all a hint. So here we have to use a concept of equivalent fractions. No, Anu, this is the 13th question. Okay, we have two more to go. We have 15 questions in all. Okay, so just two more. Quickly give the answers to this. Okay, let's see. The 13th question says you have to find the numerator to this. Use your understanding of equivalent fractions over here and you will get your answer easy. Okay. Okay, no worries, Renu. If you've written the answer for the previous question as B, it was correct. Okay, good job. All right, Saina has already written the answer as C. Anya has written it as B. Okay, good try, all of you. C, C. Okay, Meera, Amit, C. Sweetie is also written as C. Okay, all right. Modipta has written as C and A both. Decide quickly and tell me what's the final answer for you. Okay, I'm getting D, I'm getting B. Modipta is trying all the different options. No worries, Modipta. Think about it and give me one final answer. Okay, let's see. Okay, time up. Chalo. So let's see what's the answer to this. Now we have 15 upon 25. Okay, and here at the bottom we have 5. If we have to, since we have equal to sign in between, it shows that these two fractions need to be equivalent. If I'm getting 5 over here, that means I have to divide 25 with by a number that will give me the answer as 5. The 25 divided by 5 gives me 5, right? So same thing I have to do, the same operation I will have to do it in the numerator also. So 15 also I will have to divide by 5 and this gives me the answer as 3. So the answer is C, which most of you all have got it. So congratulations and wonderful job done. Okay, so the answer is C over here. It's 3. How did we get it? Following the equivalent fraction concept. Okay. All right, good job, good job. So whoever's answered C, a wonderful job. Congratulations to you all, and good try from the others who gave the other answers. All right. So quickly now, just two more questions to go. Let's answer this. What is half of the fraction represented by the colored part? So this is the colored portion. Okay, this is the colored portion, and what is the half of this? What is the half of this? Come on, this is also easy peasy. Come on, half of the color of the fraction that the colored portion represents. Am I getting answers for this? I have not yet got a single answer. Come on, come on. Yes, yes. Second last question only. After this, we just have one more question to go. Quickly. Okay, I've already started getting answers. I've got a D. Any more? Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see. Since I need to now proceed further, let's see what do we get over here. How do we get the answer? So first we look at the fraction, okay, that the colored portion represents. So the colored portion represents the fraction 9 out of 12. Okay. So now I have to find the half of this. So what does that mean? That half of 9 upon 12. So this equals to how much? After reducing, I get 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and what is left? 3 in the numerator and 12 in the, 8 in the denominator. Okay? All right. So this is the answer to this question, 3 out of 8. Okay? All right. So whoever's given this answer, congratulations. Good job. Good job. Okay. All right. And here comes the last question of the quiz. What is 1/4 of the fraction represented by the colored part? Come on. I just have a few seconds before I wrap up this session. So what is 1/4 of the fraction represented by the colored part? So again, we have to look over here. What fraction is the colored part? 1/4 means how much? It is 1/4, right? And how much is the colored part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 8. Okay? So here, what will be my answer? I simply multiply because there is no reducing. So I get the answer as 7 upon 32. And here is my answer D. Yes, this was the